everybody.
Hello.
No, wait. I think I'm going to let Arne do the introduction to this one.
Why? Okay.
Because it's your dollhouse. Come on.
Hello everybody and welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are, as always, your hosts Arne and Carlos, and we are
In the dollhouse. The dollhouse that Arne has created, and many people have been asking for an update. You started this process in 2017. So it's been a few years since since you have been working on it. Now, Arne, I think our viewers are very curious to know one thing. What is it about dollhouses that you love so much?
I think it's almost like having a fireplace or the aquarium.
Okay.
Because it's kind of relaxing when you can sit and watch it, and it's kind of easy to control. It's kind of easier than the house.
I see what you mean.
And it's also, I think it's beautiful.
I like it because I see this place, right? That is, or it was at one point empty, and then you start furnishing it, and then I see how our personal style actually comes through in the decoration of the house. So for me, this very much is a place I could live in, basically. And also sometimes you get ideas when you're doing the decor and putting the little things in. We like all these little things.
It's also fun when you travel, if you find those small things or you get gifts. Like in the 80s, people had those boxes on the wall where they put small things.
Yeah. Cabinets of curiosity.
Yeah, we put it in the dollhouse.
Yeah.
And
I'm very much a cabinet of curiosity person. I like collecting fossils. I like collecting crystals. Like those different crystals, corals, things like that. I like displaying things like that. And yeah, the dollhouse is very fitting in that sense. It is Arne's dollhouse because he has created it from his own idea and imagination. But I also look for little things for the dollhouse as well when we are in different places.
But it takes time because the size is not the normal, the small size. So we have to look for things that are a little bit bigger, and that takes time. And that's why it grows really slow. But
it's getting there.
It's getting there, and we got some new stuff.
Yeah, that's what I was going to ask you, Arne.
This is new. We got this in Japan.
It's a mushroom?
Yeah, for when you mend your socks.
Yeah, so I can talk a little bit about this. This was a gift from a dear friend of ours. We have a very close Japanese friend called Hikaru Noguchi. And Hikaru used to design knitwear, or I think she still designs knitwear. She and Arne and I were competitors. And we showed our collections in the same Parisian trade show for many, many years. And we had almost the same customers. Her knitwear design, or her knitwear, was very Shetland Island inspired. So it was very Fair Isle. Ours was very Norwegian inspired. So even if we were competitors, we were very different colors and points of view. And we became very good friends. Then we lost contact with Hikaru for a long time. But we met her in Tokyo when we went for business last time, which was this year in 2019. And hey Freya! And Hikaru, and we met up with Hikaru, and now Hikaru is doing a lot of darning. She's doing workshops and darning, and she has kits that she does. And in the kit, she has this little thing that you use when you darn. So
this is a nice thing to put in the dollhouse.
Yeah, a little mushroom.
And you can use it.
Yeah.
But it's like
it's like I need to darn something. Where's my mushroom?
Oh,
the dollhouse. So we know where it is.
It's a beautiful mushroom.
Yeah, I love it.
It's a decoration for the house. And we also got another gift in Japan. That's this box. Let's see if I can get it out. It's for a festival or a celebration. I don't remember. Was it a maiden?
No, I remember it as well. It's a Japanese thing, so I might get it a little bit wrong. But it's a festival for girls. And during this festival, they have these dolls, I think, that they put up for the festival. Yeah, it's pretty much...
This is full of sweets.
Yes.
They're all gone.
All gone.
But it's a nice thing to put in the dollhouse.
Yeah, this is a very international household.
The girl festival. And we have a new chair, I think. This is actually a needle pillow.
I'm wondering where you got that. Was it in Naples?
I think it was in Naples, in a bookstore. And they had like small tchotchkes.
Yeah.
And this is actually for needles, but it fits
it's
the
in metal.
dollhouse. It's in metal.
It's in metal. I'm trying to think, was it in Naples? Was it in Florence? But it was in Italy. I'm
think it was in
quite sure
Italy.
of that, the fact that it was in Italy. Or
So
maybe,
this is
oh,
nice.
wait. Maybe it was in Oxford?
No, it was in Oxford.
It was in Oxford.
Oxford.
In October 2018.
This
it
is
was
what
in
happens
Oxford.
when you travel so much.
And it's a metal chair and it's really heavy.
So that's a new thing. And then we're on the cruise with the Hurtigruten. One of the participants, she gave us these beautiful crochet cactus
Cactus
pots.
These are fabulous.
So this is from Anne from Amsterdam. So thank you,
Yeah.
Anne. Now you see that we really appreciate what you gave us.
Yes, Anne, we thought your gift was fantastic. And it makes sense because Anne is from the Netherlands, and we know that the craft of dollhousing is huge in the Netherlands. And we also know the dollhouses in the Rijksmuseum.
Yeah.
We really want to see them. So yeah, dollhouses and the Holland, they kind of go hand in hand. So thank you for a very appropriate gift, Anne. We love it.
And we also got these small Delft figures.
Oh, how cute are these?
These are nice decoration.
Yeah.
And we have another nice thing which I haven't opened because it's not Christmas yet.
Oh, a Christmas gift for the dollhouse.
This is the whole
Wow.
Jesus and Maria and Joseph and a donkey and a sheep.
Very nice.
So this is for the Christmas. So we have some new things in the house,
And
and we have some new
tenants.
tenants.
Yes, the house is now lived in by two girls.
So
I think their names are Blythe
Yeah.
and Blythe.
So this one is a gift we got it in Tokyo from a friend in Tokyo. This is the old one. This is a newer one we bought on internet.
Yeah, it's a
because-
factory Blythe.
And this one is, you see, this is like the disco Barbie. You can move.
She's got movable joints.
So this is,
Careful with her hair. She's wearing a wig.
yeah. So you have like, you can go like, "Ooh," but the fingers are a little bit problematic because they're going like this. So it's hard to dress her. But this is a new thing we're working on now. We're going to do blight designs for Japan.
Yeah, so the story is that right now they're in their house dresses because they want to be comfortable, right? I mean, they're at home, they're sitting, they're having tea, they're watching TV, maybe playing video games. There might be a teenage room somewhere here that you don't know of. And that's why they're wearing these knitted dresses. They are their house dresses. You know, the kind of dress you would wear to be comfortable when you are lounging in your own house, right? But this Blythe was a gift to us, and the idea is that we are going to make an outfit for her, and then she's going to be auctioned for charity in Japan. And they do that with a lot of designers all the time. And the auction takes place in Osaka in a very, very beautiful department store. So we are going to get this Blythe, we're going to get her kitted out in a really fantastic outfit, and then hopefully raise some money for charity. But right now they have these house dresses that have been knitted.
So it's work in progress.
Yeah, so let's put them back in.
And
Yeah, they're a little bit
is
spooky
so
if you
cool.
ask me.
this is our new hobby.
Yeah, and this one does too.
Look.
It's and this one too.
That one is more difficult.
Oh yeah.
So we have a new hobby right now.
Yeah. So put the ladies back in.
Oi.
Yeah, I think that the Blythes, you know, when they change I think they look really spooky. I really do.
I need time to put them back. I put them there as.
But they're interesting, and I can't wait to dress Blythe for charity. I know that there's a big Blythe community as well. Although actually, not only in Japan, we met at one of our workshops at Webb's a few years ago. We met a Blythe aficionada who made little sweaters for Blythe, and she offered us a little sweater.
I have to find.
We have to find it. It's here somewhere and put it in the dollhouse. And so yeah, maybe a lot of people that are watching this episode now, they love Blythe. If you do, would you like us to do more knitted clothes for them and have patterns for them by us? I don't know. I mean, what do you think about that house dress? Did you like the house dress? I guess if I was a Blythe and I was hanging around all day in the house, that's kind of like the dress I'd wear. It's comfortable, it's warm. Yeah.
And now we're also having our own fabric line, so we're going to do like dresses and things in fabric and mix with knitwear. So there will be both knitting and woven fabrics. So
really cool.
It's a new area we're going into, which we really like, and they fit the dollhouse. That's the good thing. So they can actually be in the dollhouse.
Yeah, they can be there. They can
see they have space.
Yeah,
you can't have a chandelier, but you can have a small lamp.
Yeah, she can be here. Look. Oh, look. And the thing I think it's so funny because the head of this doll is humongous compared to the body, and then when you put her in this room, the proportions are all completely wrong, and it makes it so charming. But you've got this doll with this massive head, and then she's in a room where the proportions are also completely wrong, and it just looks really cool.
But they're almost the size as Magnus, the garden mouse, and the hippie. But right now, I really don't know where Magnus went, because I've been moving stuff around, and so there she is with a big head.
So
that's the update.
That's the update on the house. I hope, well, we both hope that you have been enjoying a little tour. And you never know. I mean, I would think, Arne, that we should wallpaper one of the rooms with a really cool wallpaper. Maybe one that will make it look like it's oversized, to play around a little bit more with the proportions. I don't know if you like my idea. I know that it's your dollhouse. I'm not going to interfere. So I'm going to let you think on that one. And I would also like people to comment. What do you guys think about wallpapering a room? Do you think that's a good idea? Or should we keep the walls the way they are, painted in these beautiful colors from Farah?
Or we can make a new dollhouse, which I'm thinking about.
Yeah.
So just have to find the cabinet, because we have those knitted dolls and they're like this size. So we need a bigger dollhouse, but that's for the studio.
Yeah. So let us know what you think. Should we wallpaper a room? Should we leave it as it is? What do you think about Blythe? Do you hate her? Do you like her? Do you find her spooky like I do? And yeah, I mean, the house dresses, just comment on anything you like. And we are looking forward to reading all those comments, answering as much as we can, and bringing you a new update, hopefully in a not so distant future.
And I'm also thinking about painting the furniture in the kitchen, because a lot of these old furniture pieces you find, they're always brown. So maybe we should
a pop of color here, a pop of color there.
Colors. So that's the dollhouse.
And since Arne, since this is your dollhouse, I will let you finish the episode. Remember what you have to say.
So if you like the episodes, please submit and
No.
subscribe.
No, if you like
I can't remember.
Okay, so if
if you like it, the thumbs up. If you don't like it, thumbs down, and that's it.
Remember to...
And remember to subscribe
to the ever-growing Arne and Carlos family. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you.
We'll see you again soon. Freya decided to join us again. So yeah, see you again next week. Bye. Bye.
forgot, Zafra, please put on the subscribe notifications.
So
You can so you never forget the episodes.
never miss the episode.
Never miss an episode. How hard is this? Is so hard.
Okay, try again.
No, I'm finished.
Okay.